Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add your organization's logo in Google Workspace. This is a great way to personalize your company's Google environment and reinforce your brand identity across all the apps your team uses. First, open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. You'll need to sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account, so make sure you have those credentials ready. This is the central hub where you'll manage all aspects of your organization's Google Workspace settings. Once you're signed in to the admin console, look for account settings or company profile on the home screen. The exact label might vary depending on which edition of Google Workspace you're using, but it should be clearly visible. If you don't immediately see these options, scroll down and click More Controls at the bottom of the page. This will expand additional options, including company profile or similar branding settings. Next, click on Personalization or Branding. These sections house all the customization options for your organization's visual identity within Google Workspace. The naming might differ slightly, but you're looking for anything related to branding or personalization. Once inside, find the section labeled Logo, Organization Logo, or Branding Image. This is where you'll upload the image that will represent your company across various Google apps and services. Before uploading, make sure your logo file is ready. Typically, Google requires a PNG or GIF format, with non-animated images around 320 by 132 pixels. The file size should usually be under 30 KB, though these requirements may vary depending on your specific interface. If your logo doesn't meet these specifications, you'll need to adjust it before proceeding. When you're ready, click Upload or Choose File and select your prepared logo from your computer. If a preview window appears, take a moment to verify that the logo looks correct in the header area. This preview gives you a sense of how it will appear across different Google apps your organization uses. Finally, click Save or Save Changes to apply the logo to your organization. Your custom logo will now appear throughout Google Workspace, giving your team's experience a more branded, professional feel. Thanks for watching.